Hi everyone, it's great to see you. Today I'm doing a quick unboxing and planting for you. I've already cut the tape on the box, but I have not yet peeked in to see what's in there. So I decided on the side yard to move a couple of the macrophylla hydrangeas whose leaves had been burning. They were getting too much sun, and that left some empty planting space, which is wonderful. I don't get a lot of real sunny planting spaces here. Most of them are at least partial shade. So I was really pleased with this, and I know that I have a lot of daylilies I can divide and put there, or order more daylilies and put there. But I was thinking, what plant do I not have that needs that full sun that I now have the opportunity to put in the ground? And then I realized what it was. So I ordered some from Garden Crossings and they came. So let me show you what I decided. Garden Crossings does a great job packaging their plants here, and I have 4 plants. They're coming in the small quart sizes. And here is our first one. This is the Luminary Pink Lightning Phlox. So garden phlox like this is a perennial. There are annual types of phlox too. And this is a type that is newly released by proven winners. So I ordered a Luminary Pink Lightning. It's not in bloom at the moment, but there are a few little buds there, so we might get to see what it looks like. Now, I only ordered one of this kind of phlox because it's new. I haven't seen anyone on YouTube planting it yet, so I don't really know if I'm going to like it, but it's pink and it's phlox, so good chance I will. And then the other 3 plants in here are all the same. This is the Luminary Opalescence phlox. So I have seen a number of people online plant this type of phlox, and it gets to be about 2 to 3 feet tall. So it's going to kind of bush out, and it does bloom pretty much all summer, which is nice. I'm looking for that extended bloom period, and the color is a light pink with a dark pink eye. So with these next to each other, that will be just fine. Let me get the other 2 out. So I'm going to be planting these probably about 8 inches to 12 inches apart, sort of in a little cluster like this, thinking that they get to be that 2.5, 3 feet tall, a nice clump. And these are all hardy down to zone 3. So if you are in cold weather like I am, this is a good choice for a hardy perennial that's going to give you a lot of bloom power when it comes to an extended season there. So I'm really excited, and it likes full sun, lots of sun. And it's hardy to zone 8 on the upper end. So for those of you in a really hot climate, this particular type of phlox probably is not the best choice for you. They do like to have a good water base to them, and they need that period of cold in the winter. So I'm going to get planting these. I'm so happy to have a new type, a totally new type of flower going into my garden. I'm over in the side where it's nice and sunny here, and I've laid them out. So I'm going to do the 3 opalescence in the front here, and then I'm going to put the darker Luminary Pink Lightning behind it. Now I do have my coneflowers blooming. You can tell they got eaten a little bit. We are having earwig issues, so I am going to sprinkle some Sluggo Plus. Sluggo Plus not only will get your slugs, but it gets your earwigs too, and that will really help, I'm sure, with them. So you know how it is. Once you start in the garden, you start noticing all these other things that you need to do. But let's get these plants in the ground. They look really healthy. They're very wet because we've had so much rain. There we go. No danger that these have dried out. So I have my 4 phlox planted here. I think this is going to work really, really well. And I am just so excited to have something new in the garden to look forward to. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.